Hello NDA aspirants, welcome to Chandigarh Defence Academy. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Now today what we are providing to you, what is the information which we are sharing with you is the NDA exam pattern of 2021 exam. Now if you really see this pattern obviously and if you follow it up, then this exam will be a cakewalk for you. So what is NDA first of all? As we know, through this exam, we get recruited into our defense forces, and obviously there are three wings under NDA. One is obviously we all know that is Indian Army, then Navy, and then Air Force. And also there is an additional apart from this, that is Indian Naval Academy course, in which you get recruited after clearance of this exam. Now, obviously, if we say exam pattern, the next thing that comes into our mind is what are the different exams we have to get clear to be the future officer. So let us see. Now, as you can see, the NDA exam pattern, it is decided by the UPSC. They decide the exam pattern as well as the syllabus. Now, within this NDA selection process, it is divided into two main parts. Now, the first one, as you can see, it is the written examination, my dear cadets. And the second one is the SSB interview. So, these are the two main components which we have to clear to be the future officers. Now, what is next? Because if we get into the written examination, the next thing comes into mind are what are the parts of this written examination? So, let us see that. So, as you can see, the written examination is divided into two main parts. The one part is that is of mathematics, obviously, which we are obviously reading from right from the basic level. And the second one is the general ability test. So these are the two exams which we have to clear to get through the written examination. Now, the next thing which comes into our mind is what is the total marks of these two exams and what is the total duration we will get to attempt them. So let us see that. Now next, as you can see, my dear cadets, the first examination of mathematics, there are total 120 questions. Of those 120 questions, the total maximum marks of this component is 300 marks. And the total time is allotted to us is that is 2 hours 30 minutes. So you can see it out, 150 minutes and 120 questions. That means accurately we have 1.25 minutes for each question to attempt in mathematics. And the second component that you know, that is general ability test. The total maximum marks of this component is 600 and the total number of questions which we have to attempt is 150. And what is the time duration? Again, same my dear cadets, that is 2 hours 30 minutes. So now it is very simple here, 150 questions, 150 minutes. So 1 minute each for every question to attempt. That means the total integrated total maximum marks will be of written examination is 900 and total questions which we have to attempt is 270 and definitely the total time will come out to be 5 hours. Now next obviously the things comes into our mind is what is the weightage for the positive marking, the basically the questions which we attempt correct, and what is the negative marking, because this is the very important part on which we have to stress to succeed in this exam. So let's see. So as you can see, we have discussed there are total 120 questions and 300 marks for mathematics. So if you are good at mathematics, you can just get it divided and get the correct marks. So what is the correct marks you get for mathematics question? You get 2.5 marks, my dear cadets. But the most important thing in NDA exam, the negative marking is 1/3. So within mathematics, the negative marking is coming out to be 0.83. So please keep into mind when you are attempting it that you should go for accuracy. And in the second component, GAT, as I've already shared it with you, total questions are accurately, if you remember, 150 and of 600 marks. So each correct answer will give you allotted to you a 4 marks, and the wrong, obviously all you have now got it, that is 1/3 of that, that is 1.33 negative marking for wrong GAT question, isn't it? Now in the next video, we will share with you all the details of these examination patterns, what are the different components which are coming into this, my dear cadets. And the most important thing, if you really want to get through this exam, then you can contact us to get the best coaching in India. You can contact for the written examination coaching and as well as SSB coaching on the numbers which are displayed below. And best of luck to all of you cadets to become future officers. Thank you.